Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Black, and back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get onto this website. And this website is dedicated for movie, TV apps, music apps, phone cleaners, all that cool stuff. It's made by this guy named Mr. R. He's one of my cool friends. If you guys want to check his Twitter out, that's in the description. Or if you find any applications hidden, go ahead and check him out. Tell him about it. He might give you credit for him. Now, I did make this website dedicated for the iOS community, so this is only for iOS devices. These applications should install from iOS 9, 10, and 11. They are from different regions. So if you tap on one of the applications and ask you, would you like to change your region for the App Store, just click yes, and then you're allowed to download the application. Also, be sure to report any of them that don't work to him, so that can help him a lot. There are tons of applications on here. So there's movie, TV app, music apps, phone cleaners, sports apps, you know, those live streamers, also some video downloaders, and some social media applications that will help. There's something here for everyone, so if you guys want to be a part of that, be sure to click the link in the description and we'll take you there. All you have to do is maneuver through it, and I'll be showing you through this video how to get to it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for sticking towards me, because I am back finally. Alright guys, hope you guys do enjoy. Alright guys, so as you guys can see here, this is my Rick and Morty wallpaper. You guys can see it's very clean and very nice. If you guys do want that, that is in the description. So if you guys click that link, it should tell you all the way down at the bottom, say wallpapers. Click that and it will take you straight to this wallpaper on Google Images. Hold it down and click save image to keep it onto your device. Alright guys, let's get straight into it. So head into the link. It should say link in the description. Once you click that, go to Safari, open it up in there. Make sure it's not in the YouTube browser, because the YouTube browser isn't full. All you have to do is click the little icon down below that looks like Safari, then it will take you straight to Safari. So once you're on here, it's called App Finder for iOS. This is made by Mr. R, so if you guys want to go ahead, check him out. One last shout out for him. He does have many cool things such as movie apps, music apps. You already know, guys. Let's go to movie and TV apps. So basically all you have to do is look at it, and then once you decide on the application you want, you just tap it, little link, it will take you straight to the App Store. Now some of these applications aren't from the US store, so if it does ask you to switch to a different country's app store, just click OK. Then all you have to do to go back to your regular one, you can just go in settings and figure out from there. All you have to do is click get, you know, same thing from the App Store. He just carries them because he's a really good finder at these applications. I have found this one, that one, and that one I've made in my previous videos, but this guy does put them all at the same point in time. He also has a social medias page if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. He also has many other applications too. So let's head on to his sports app. You guys can see all you have to do is tap that link and it'll take you straight to the App Store. There it is, guys. I have installed this one previously because I have found it before. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Other than that, make sure to go ahead and check them out. Stay subscribed because I'm about to hit 7K. I'm really close to 7K. So if you guys want to be part of that, win some shoutouts along the way, because I will be doing that. Be sure to do that. Also, for those people who stuck by till the end of the video, type a 1 in the chat, then say shoutout. So basically, for the people who watched till the end of my video, get a free shoutout in my next one. This is a one-time only scenario, so if you guys did watch till the end of this video, all you have to do is type a 1 in the comments as well as free shoutout. Okay, all you have to do is do that, and I'll automatically know, and you will be shouted out in the next video I do make. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a fat like down below if you did. Love you guys so much. Peace.